Hello friends, I am Sumit Mehta from Eguru Learning classes. Okay, and in this video we'll see from question number 13 of exercise 3.2. In previous videos I have made, we have seen from up to question number 12. Now let's move to question number 13. And please friends, subscribe my channel Eguru Learning. Okay, so now let's start with the solution. So the question is fx दिया हुआ है हमें and we need to show that fx into fy is equals to f of x plus y. Okay, so similarly fy लिख लेते हैं हम. fx तो हमें जब दिया ही हुआ है तो fy क्या हो जाएगा? This is cos y minus sin y 0 sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. Okay, so now let's do fx fy, which is cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. This with cos y minus sin y 0 sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. Okay, now let's multiply this row to this column. I need to multiply this row with this. So this is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y into this row to this column. Now this is minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y 0. Okay, now row number 2 to column 1. So this is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and this will be minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. This is again 0 0 0. This is 0 and this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, so as you all know that the formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos of A plus B. So here we will get cos of x plus y. Okay, and this is taken minus sign outside, so this will be sin of x plus y, because sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is 0 and this is sin x plus y, and this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is cos of x plus y. 0 0 0 and this is 1. So we can rewrite this as f of x plus y. तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया? f of x plus y. जहाँ जहाँ पे x था, now if we change this function, x को हम x plus y से अगर change कर दें तो we will get this value. So we can say that this is equals to f of x plus y. Hence this is proved. Now let's move to question number 14. So students, here is question number 14 on our screen, in which we need to show that the product of these two matrices is not equals to the product of these two. Means it is like A into B is not equals to b into a. Okay, that we already know. In previous video I have shown you that a into b is always not equals to b into a in matrix multiplication. Now let's see that. So we have 5 minus 1, 6, 7. This is 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay. So this is 5 into 2 minus 1 into 3. And again this is 5 into 1 minus 1 into 4. Now it will be 6 into 2 plus 7 into 3. Six into 1 plus 7 into 4. So this will be 5 into 2, 10 minus 3, this is 7. 5 minus 4, this is 1. 12 plus 21, this is 33. And this is 6 plus 28, 34. So LHS में हमें ये मिलेगा A into B. Okay. Now let's check B into A, which is 2, 1, 3, 4 multiplication with 5 minus 1, 6, 7. Okay. So this is 2 into 5 plus 6 into 1. So 2 into 5 is 10 plus 6 into 1 is 16. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 7, this is 5. 3 into 5, 15 plus 24, this is 39. And this is 3 minus 3 plus 28, this is plus 25. So students, as you can see that AB is not equals to BA in matrix multiplication. Okay. Now let's see part number 2. So in part 2 we need to multiply these two matrices. So this is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 with minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So if I multiply this 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Okay, then this row to second column 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 3. Then 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4. Okay, now second row to first column, this is 0 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 and again 0 into 2. So this is 0 to 1, then 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 3, and here it is 0, 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4. Okay, now third row to first column, 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into again minus 1, 1 into 0 now. This element is 0 and this is 0 into 2. Okay, so 1 into 1 here plus 1 into minus 1 here plus 0 into 3. Okay, so this is 1, 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4. प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद ये वैल्यूज आप एक ही 1 को में लिख लेंगे. दिस इज 6 minus 1, this is 5. 9 plus 1, 10 minus 2, this is 8. 12 plus 2, this is 14. This is 0, 0, 0. So this will be 0. 0 minus 1, again it is minus 1, 1, minus 1, this is 0, so this will be minus 1, 1, minus 1, this is 0, and this is 1, only 1. So this is the matrix multiplication of A into B. Now let's see B into A part. Okay, so now I need to multiply minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so when we multiply these, अब मैं डायरेक्टली लिखूंगा क्योंकि अब हमें इतनी प्रैक्टिस हो गई है कि हम डायरेक्टली आंसर कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज माइनस 1 इंटू 1 इज minus 1 plus 1 into 0, and this is 0 into 1. So answer is minus 1 here, row to the column. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So this is also minus 1. So minus 3. Now 0, 0, and this is 1. 0, minus 1 and 1. Again it is 0. 0. So this element will be 0. So now 2 plus 4, this is 6. This is 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 11. And this is 6 only. Okay. So this is the product B into A. And here it is A into B. So as you can see that AB is not equals to BA. So with this we have showed that AB is not equals to BA in matrix multiplication. Okay. Now let's move to question number 15. So student, here is question number 15 on our screen, in which we need to find out A square minus 5A plus 6I, where A is given to us. Okay. So to write A square, this is A into A, which means 201, 213, 1 minus 1 0. This is 201, 213, and this is 1 minus 1 0. Okay. So this row to this column means the first row, the first column for first element. So this is 2 into 2, 4, 0 plus 1, this is 5. So this row to this column, 2 into 0 and 0, this is minus 1, 2, 0 and 0, this is 2. Second row to first column, 2 into 2, 4, plus 2, 6, plus 3, 9. So this into this, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, minus 3. So this is minus 2. Now 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2, plus 3, this is 5. Now the third row to the first column, 1, 2, minus 2, this is again 0, and 1 into 0, this is minus 1. Answer is minus 1 here. So 1 minus 3 minus 2, so it will be minus 2 now. Okay, so we have get A square, हमें A square मिल चुका है. Now we need to write 5 of A. So 5 of A क्या हो जाएगा? Every element of A will be multiplied by 5. So this is 10, 0, 5, 10, 1, 15, 5, minus 5, 0. Okay, and 6 of I, as you know that identity matrix is, this is 6, 6, 6 हो जाएगा. अभी 6 से multiply करने के बाद rest all elements will be 0. Okay, now we need to do the algebra part. A square minus 5A plus 6I. So this is A square is 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5. This is 0 minus 1 minus 2. Minus times 10, 0, 5, 10, 1, 15, 5 minus 5, 0 plus 6 0 0 0 6 0. This is 0 0 6. Okay, so now to write this will be 5 minus 10 minus 5 plus 6. This is plus 1 minus 1, so it will be minus 1. 2 minus 5, this is minus 3 now. 9 minus 10 minus 1, so this is minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 6, so this will be 3. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. 0 minus 5, this is minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5, this is plus 4. And this is minus 2 minus plus 6, so this is plus 4 again. So this is the value of a square minus 5a plus 6i. Okay students, now let's move to question number 16. So students, here is question number 16 on our screen, in which a is this and we need to prove that a cube minus 6 times a square plus 7a plus 2 times I is equals to 0. Okay, so first let us find out a square. So this is a into a, which is 102 021, and this is 203. Okay, so this row to the first column 102, so this is 1 plus 4, this is 5, and this is 0, 2 plus 0 plus 6, this is 8. Now 0 plus 0 plus 2, this is 0 plus 2 4, plus 1 5, 0, 2 plus 3, this is again 5, 2 plus 0 plus 6, 8. Now 0 0 and again 0. Okay, so this is 2 plus 9 11. So this is the value of a square. Now let's find a cube. So a cube will be a square into a. So I think this element, we have done a mistake here. This element should be 4. 0 to 0 into 0 to 0 to 1 into 0 to 0, this is 4. Okay, so now 508 245, and this is 8011. Multiply 102 021 203. Okay, so now 5 to 1 is 5 plus 0 plus 16, this is 21. Now 0, this element is 0. 10 plus 24, this is 34. So this is 2 plus 10, this is 12. 0 8 0, so this is 8. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 15, this is 23. So this is 8 plus 0 plus 22, so this is 30. 0 0 and again 0, this is 0. 16 plus 33 is 49. Okay, now let's write down all the values. Student, we have also done a mistake here, so it should be 13. So this is now 80 13 into this, so this should be 16 plus 39, so this is 55. Now let's check this element also. This should be same, and this should be here only. Okay, so this element should be 55. Now let's put all the values. A cube minus 6a square, a cube minus 6a square plus 7 times a plus 2 times I. We need to check whether this should be 0. So a cube we have already get 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 30, 0, and this is 55, minus 6 times a square. So let's multiply all the elements of a square by 6. So this is 30, 0, 48, 12, 24, 30. This is again 48, 0, and 13 into 8 is 84. 13 into 6 करना है हमें, sorry. So this should be 78. Plus 7 into a. Where is a is? This is 7, 0, 14, 0, 14, 7, 14, 0. This is 21 plus 2i. So this would be 2, 2, 2. Rest all elements will be 0. Okay. Now let's check. 21 plus 7, 29, 28 plus 2, 30, 30 minus 30 is 0. So this element is 0. 0, 0, 0. All elements are here 0. 34 plus 14, 48 minus 48 is again 0. So 12 minus 12 is 0, and rest all elements are 0 here. 8 minus 24, this is minus 16, minus 4 plus 14 plus 2. So this is also 0. 23 minus 30 minus 7 plus 7, it is 0. 30 minus 48, this is minus 18, minus 18 plus 14 here. So this is coming out to be minus 4. So are we have done any mistake? Let's check. 7 into this is 14, this should be 0. This is 8 cube, a square was 8 into 6 is 48. So this is, let's check this element. Okay, now 0, here all elements are 0. 55 plus 21, this is 76 plus 2, 78. So this is 0. Now we need to cross check this element. Okay, so first verify this. 2 plus 6, this is coming out to be 8. Now 8 into 8, 1, and 13 into 2, 20. So this should be 34. So it should be 34 instead of 30. So 34 plus 14, this is 48. So now it is again 0. Okay, so I hope students now you are pretty clear how to solve these type of questions. Okay, mistakes हो सकती है, but you need to verify that where you are doing mistakes. Okay, now let's move to question number 17. So students, here is question number 17 on our screen, in which a is given and I is given to us, and we need to find the value of k where this equation is satisfied. Okay, so a is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So to write a square, we need to multiply this again. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So this is this row to this column. 9 minus 8, this is 1. Minus 6 plus 4, this is minus 2. 12 minus 8, this is plus 4, and this is minus 8 plus 4, this is minus 4. So we have get a square. A square आ चुका है हमारे पास, and we are given a square is equals k times a minus 2 times I. So 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equals k times I, k times a. So this is 3k minus 2k, 4k, and this is minus 2k. And minus 2i means 1, 2, 0, 0, and this is 2. Okay, so 3k minus 2 is coming out to be 1. So k is 1 here. Let's check all the elements. Minus 2k should equals minus 2k is also 1. 4k is again 4, and minus 2k minus 2. Minus 2k minus 2 is coming out to be minus 4. So this is minus 2k is minus 2k is again 1. So from this all the equations we are getting the value of k equals to 1. Hence k is equals to 1. Okay. Now let's move to question number 18th. So student, here is question number 18th on our screen. Okay. So in this question we need to find out I plus a or is equals to I minus a times this matrix, and we are already given matrix A. So now let's take LHS first. So in LHS we need to write I plus a, where I is 1, 0, 0, 1 plus minus tan alpha by 2. This is tan alpha by 2, and this is 0. So this would become 1 minus tan alpha by 2. This is tan alpha by 2. This is 1. Okay, तो ये हमारा LHS आ गया. Now let's check what is the value of RHS. RHS में क्या चल रहा है हमें I minus a into this matrix. This is cos alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Okay, so now first I minus a directly लिखते हैं अगर हम. So this would be 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus tan alpha by 2, this would become tan alpha by 2. Now this minus tan alpha by 2, and this is 1. Now to multiply both these matrices, cos alpha minus sin alpha, and this is cos alpha. Okay, so 1 into this, so this is cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha. Now minus sin alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha. Okay, now this is minus tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha into cos alpha plus sin alpha, and this is tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha plus cos alpha. Okay, now let's make some space here to solve the RHS. So now let's solve this part here. So we know the formula of cos 2 alpha. So cos 2 alpha in terms of sine. So this is 1 minus cos 2 alpha is 2 sine square alpha. So we can put the value of cos alpha as 2 sine square alpha by 2 minus 1. Okay, plus tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha is using the formula of sin 2 alpha. This is this becomes 2 sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Okay, now it is again minus 2 times sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2. Now let's delete this formula what we have written here. ये फॉर्मूला डिलीट कर रहा हूँ मैं. आई होप आप सबने नोट कर लिया होगा. ओके, सो tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha का फॉर्मूला in terms of cos. So 1 plus cos 2 alpha क्या होता है? So this is 2 cos square alpha. So this would become, and so this is 2 sin square alpha. We need to write a minus sign here in front of this. Okay, because 1 minus cos 2 alpha was this, and we have put a value of cos 2 alpha will be 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Same is here, minus tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha. So this is 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 plus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. This is tan alpha by 2 into 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha का फॉर्मूला भाई इससे फिर से हम डाल देंगे. इसको मैं इस बार ऐसे 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. Now let's solve this part. Tan alpha by 2 is sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. ये cancel out हो जाएगा. This would becomes minus minus plus 1 sin square alpha cancel out हो जाएगा. This would becomes 1. यहाँ से अब this is cos alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2. तो ये वाला part cancel out हो जाएगा and we will be left with minus tan alpha by 2. Okay, and here it will be tan alpha by 2. ये इसका नेगेटिव पार्ट ही क्योंकि यहाँ पे पड़ा है और ये सेम एज इट इज यहाँ पे पड़ा है. सो दिस वुड बी 1. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू आर स्टिल फेसिंग एनी इशू व्हाइल सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन, डू पिंग इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके, and thank you students, and in the next lecture we will solve rest of the questions of this exercise. And if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy learning.